Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to use Dola AI with Telegram in 2026. Dola AI can make calendar management easier by allowing you to communicate with your assistant through messaging. If Telegram integration is available in your Dola setup, you can use Telegram to send scheduling requests and manage supported calendar tasks. First, open Dola AI and follow the current instructions for connecting Dola with Telegram. Make sure you're using the correct Dola account and complete any verification or authorization steps that appear during the setup. Once the connection is ready, open Telegram and access your Dola assistant. You can then send a normal message describing what you want to schedule. For example, you could type, "Schedule a meeting with my team tomorrow at 2 p.m. for 1 hour. Dola can interpret the date, time, and meeting details and help create the event in your connected calendar. You can also use Telegram to create reminders. For example, send a message like, "Remind me to finish the presentation Friday at 5 p.m. This allows you to add important reminders while staying inside Telegram. If you need to change an existing event, you can send another clear request. For example, you could say, "Move tomorrow's meeting to 4 p.m. Review the updated information carefully before confirming the change." When using Dola through Telegram, be as specific as possible. Include the event title, date, time, duration, and any other important details. Clear instructions make scheduling easier and reduce misunderstandings. After